That's not enough. Sit still.
Sickening.
Cute. Aren't you cute? You don't think you're cute?
Oh God, I'm scared.
Yeah, you just, yes.
Oh my God.
Slather it on. No, I'm not going to pull.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm back for another video with my mommy.
Hello,
Say hi,
everyone.
Mom.
Hello, everyone.
And we're going to do a challenge called what we call it?
The, what was it? The
I
mother-daughter, no. What was it?
Make me look like make me look like my mom challenge tag, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
My mom is going to make me look like her throwback
In the 90s.
back in the 90s when mom used to wear nails,
When everything was
braids,
fierce.
yeah,
Yes.
whole bunch of rings.
Very expressive.
And this
Yeah, I wore my braids were all the way down my back, past my behind, and I wore the big hoop earrings, long black nails. Believe it or not, and I cannot believe I did this, I wore hazel contacts. I'm embarrassed.
she was still wearing.
I was so cute though. I'm good.
Is
I'm
there
good.
anything you still do now that you used to do?
From back in the
Yeah.
day? My baby hair. I was telling Amira she had to get the toothbrush, which is, it's a hairbrush, baby hairbrush, and gel to put down her baby hair.
And that was with the challenge. She's gonna do my makeup, hair, however it used to be done, but my hair is already done how my mom had it done. Nails, outfit, everything, head to toe. I'm gonna be this lady back in the day. I'm excited.
So we're going to show my expression today on you.
I'm
Get
excited.
ready.
So we're gonna start with the makeup first, and we're gonna go to the outfits. So let's come on. Let's
Okay,
get
with
started.
the makeup, I noticed today the young people do a lot of concealer and primers. And for me, I don't know if other people had other products, but for me, we only had foundation. For me, I only use foundation. So we start with, I only use my hand.
She used her fingers. She used to just rub
I used
it
to
in.
rub it on like lotion.
Oh God.
But you shake it up.
Nervous.
No, don't be scared. You're gonna be cute. Watch. You're gonna say, Mom, can you come and do my makeup again?
Is that what I'm gonna say?
Absolutely, watch. You just dab it on, your your zones. That was always around, and then you start rubbing in, upward strokes, blend lightly. But I used to slather it on. I had that. I used to just love makeup. Honestly, I really didn't care if I had too much on because I used to love color. And it always blended well, right? You guys remember my children out there making sure it's even around the ear. And that was it.
Sickening.
And then you put on your liner.
Oh,
now
God.
and this is navy blue. I used to use the light blue or navy blue pencil. And this used to pop the eyes. And I used to go all the way around my eyes.
You did?
All the way around. And this is a soft pencil. Back in the day, we didn't have the soft pencils. I used to heat my pencil up on the stove.
Did you have a lighter, or you just go to the stove?
Yeah, I didn't have a lighter. I didn't think to use a lighter. That blue is just so pretty.
Oh, popping.
Person, don't close your eyes so tightly. Just lightly so I can get underneath there. Oh yes, you see. So you thought you were gonna look funny? Don't you look cute?
I look cute.
Told you. And so that's real nice. Now another thing we're gonna use is the blush.
Oh, blush.
Now blush used to be like a red.
That's a lot.
Yeah, just do. I didn't put like I was. You can remember I was cute.
That's a pop.
It needs to show up accent the cheekbones. That's not enough. Sit still.
Okay.
You see? See, this is cute. Now we didn't have the highlight. I love the highlighting that you guys do today, which I do. But we didn't have that. I would have been like, oh my God. Back in the day to be highlighted.
You already a mess. Nobody.
That would be too much. And
Oh, whoa.
yes, don't you look? Now mine's because I never grew hair. Now yours are already in. That one is for me. I didn't accent mine as much as some people.
Yeah, I think it's a new. You talking about me?
No, I mean back in the day. Even back in the day, people had.
Oh, it looks nice.
You see? You know you make it nostril there. And that blue pops right. Might be a little heavy there. It didn't want to look far. But let me see. Turn around. Okay.
I look like you.
You're looking more and more like me. Dark. I used to love burgundy. And I could do it back in the day, man. Oh, yes. There we go. That, you see. Okay.
Sickening.
Cute. Aren't you cute? You don't think you're cute? You do look kind of like. No, you're cute though.
I look what?
You look cute.
I like I'm trying.
I think you're doing something wrong. Can you put your gloss on?
This is what you was walking around killing them.
I wish I had that on. See, mine was like you ate some chicken, so much grease. Pat. Let me see now. And basically that's it.
This is the finished look. Eyebrows, blue eyeliner, brown. My mom, you have bigger lips than me. Okay, we're gonna change outfits. We'll be back. So this is the outfit, but mom was to put the finishing touches on it first. She noticed I didn't have baby hairs, so she's gonna put some baby hairs.
Yeah, this is the finishing touch. We always had our baby hair down. I used to always.
That's a lot.
No, just a little gel. You have to get enough on the brush.
That's not.
You see, the brush is still. It's not an old toothbrush. You buy a toothbrush.
The camera's over there.
Oh, this is the camera.
Oh God, I'm scared.
Yeah, you just yes.
Oh my God.
Slather it on. No, I'm not gonna pull. You slather it on.
Oh God, this is the worst.
Now it's kind of like.
That's the devil. That's the devil.
No, stand still. You have to let it dry.
Don't brush into my braids.
I'm not gonna brush it. You do the little curvature. We used to actually just curve it. If you curved it, honey, you go. If it could curve, I'm sorry. And basically, that's it. You finishing. Like the baby hair. See?
Yep.
Isn't that cute? That's cute.
Describe
We
this
have
outfit.
the braids with the hoop earrings.
Braids.
With gold and gold. My braids went all the way down like this for a little longer. Sometimes my braids would be down
They
here.
did that.
My braids would come all the way down here. Yeah, sometimes they would go beyond. I could sit on my hair. Cute. Yeah, we wore gold with gold. I mean, it was always like I was gold out. My bracelets used to go all the way back. Like you could. I used to like to call my children. But I had a ring, on every finger. It's time to go.
It was like this.
Bodysuit, jeans, and shoulder shoes. You could see the gold in my shoes because I had my gold bracelets, my gold necklace, and my big gold hoop. Okay. Finished product from head to toe. This is toe. This is my little goddess representing me from the 90's. Yes. This is me back in the day. Pose like me, hands on hip, yes. Then you turn around, put your hand on your hip, look over your shoulder. Oh, you look, oh my God, that's scary. Scary. No, that's your auntie Odessa. But that's it, the final product, bringing back the 90's, your beautiful mom. I challenge you to do the same. Yeah, it was very fun.
You enjoyed it, Mom?
Yes, I enjoyed it.
Yay.
Arnie, yes, it was fun.
It was.
Thank you. Yeah, that was really fun.
Love you, Mom. Thank
Love you more. Mwah.
Okay, bye, y'all.
Bye-bye.
See y'all next video.